Okay, what I've got here today is a John Deere GS45. New carburetor, new fuel pump, filter, new fuel lines. The culprit on why this mower didn't work lies over here, and that would be the stator, a $10 part on eBay. Now what you can't see under this engine shroud is it does have a new coil pack, and since it's unlegible on what the model number was on this engine, I know it was a FC420v, I basically went to the John Deere dealer and from this serial number got what the engine could have been. I went online and researched and got the next model up on the coil, so I didn't have to go through John Deere. And since I replaced the stator with it, it didn't really matter. Most of the stuff, like right here, was recycled off of I think it was a GS40. So you've got some kind of voltage regulator and then a capacitor of some sort. So overall, this took a little bit longer than I wanted it to. I think this is like 2 years in the making. But I did get the Kohler engine off of this one and the correct engine onto it. So now all the safety features work. We've got the brand new blades on the bottom of the mower. This model actually came with solid tires up front. John Deere GS45, a mower that's probably pushing 20 years old, laying some serious stripes down on this yard. I love how this mower cuts. It's a little bit of a rough ride, but I think that has to do with the Belky. Anyway, that's the main reason I decided to sink a little money into this and bring it, kind of restore it. Not like a full restore, just getting it running and mowable. Can't say much more. The actions speak louder than the words on this one. Anyway, I'm going to get down and show you real close on what the cut looks like. Alright, here's ground level of what that cut looks like. One pass fastest speed that mower will go. I guess these onions are the best I can show for now. It doesn't really chop the grass up. It kind of just cuts and slings. It gets most of it. You would have to double cut if you had a lot, but you can see, I mean, it doesn't really process or chew the grass up that well, but it does cut it in one pass. It knocks everything down and leaves some serious stripes. And there's those stripes from another angle. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I've got other videos that you can check out up here or down there, or maybe